All right, happy almost Labor Day. So cooler temperatures. Yeah, we're already seeing that now. Slight rain chances, warmer later on. Why is it cooler? High pressure moved off. We're seeing a little cloud cover, a little bit of rain. What that high tends to do is push down on the atmosphere. That's a warming effect. What it's looking to return later on in the week. So we did hit 100 today. Okay, we got back into the 100s, 7 degrees above average. Not enough for a record. Look what happened in 2000, 105 degrees. Here's our radar. Now, similar to yesterday. Now, what happened today? Now, there are storms pulling away to North Texas. That'll create a little bit of lift our way. Then you get destabilization from the sun with high pressure not right overhead, creating a little bit of lift. Then you got moisture and the sea breeze moving in. So, yeah, we're seeing a few pop-up showers here and there. Most of the activity, again, taking place to the north and off to the northeast. So, a little bit less active compared to yesterday, but we didn't have a washout by any means yesterday. A few pop-up showers here and there, and we saw a little bit of the same. But these numbers, look, they've come down, even though we're seeing a little moisture move into the area. But you're going to see these start to elevate later on in the week. High pressure is going to come by. What does that mean? That usually dries things out, but the little bit of moisture that does move in, that high is going to trap that moisture. And with that moisture being trapped, we'll start to see those uncomfortable, not that we have comfortability by any means right now, but some of those oppressive days, really oppressive days we've had, those are looking to return. So for the most part, yeah, we're getting over 100 again with our heat indices, but they just haven't skyrocketed where they were skyrocketing, for many, many weeks. But hey, we're starting to get 107, 106. That's starting to heat up. Just a few days ago, we were 111, 112 in some spots. And looking ahead, here is what we have. Yeah, so we could be getting back to those 110, 111, 112, maybe getting back to some of those heat advisories, maybe potentially some of those excessive heat warnings. Here's what we got. Similar to yesterday, we have the storms present, the moisture moving in, that highs out there off to the west. But it's slowly going to make its way back. Maybe by Wednesday or by Thursday, when that happens, high pressure again going to really start to enforce higher temperatures, trap this moisture, and again, those heat indices potentially going to be on the rise. We can have a few showers between tonight and tomorrow, but I'm keeping chances at 20 to 30%. Not a washout. Some areas staying completely on the dry side. But here's our future tracker. Okay, a few showers, but look at this. Most of the viewing area right here in this shot, 75% staying dry, just not going to be a washout. Some areas might not even see the rain because a lot of it wants to stay off to the northeast. So for the most part, nice weather. We're pretty much Labor Day right all the way through the weekend. A few pop-up showers. I don't think it changed or altered anyone's plans for celebrating the holiday. 94 for the water, seas 2 to 3 feet. That'll keep us a little bit on the choppy side. All right, what's happened since yesterday is our storm Idalia. Yeah, that has kind of fizzled out. No more. Now at about 50 miles an hour, we have Gert. That's really headed, see my path here, but still going to fizzle out. And then Katia, only at 40 miles per hour, really not looking to do any damage. We're going to fizzle out. But hey, we'll keep an eye on this wave, this open wave. This open wave is looking to turn into a tropical depression by the middle of the week. And from there, hey, we'll continue to track that system and see what's going to happen. Overnight, 75 degrees tomorrow. Here we go. That's what we got for Labor Day. 98 degrees, 20% chance of showers, a little bit on the breezy side. Later on in the week, we should start to warm up. If winds pick up, we could be dealing with some fire weather later on in the week. But again, for Labor Day and into Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah, we got 30, 40% chance we see some showers again. Does not look to be a washout. Most of that activity staying off to the northeast and along the coast.